Hey guys, welcome to Two Split. These guys are here, the 1000XM4s. I love the XM series. The 1000XM3s were one of my favorite headphones when they came out 2 years ago. There was almost nothing wrong with that in my personal opinion, other than the classic design, if you will. They didn't take any risks there. But the 1000XM4s aims to fix some nitpicks here and there that people found that was a problem. Wasn't really a problem for me, but it is what it is. So this is the unboxing. We will go through the few review later. I'm just a bit excited. So straight out the box, this thing supports, of course, all the voice assistants. 30 hours of battery life. That's if you have the noise canceling on. But I think if you turn it off, it gives you 38 hours of battery life, which is more than the Bose offers, by the way. There's quick charge, HD audio, voice assistants, said that already, USB-C, convertible, and a carrying case for you to log around, if you will. This thing, noise canceling, could you give me the unboxing knife? I said the unboxing knife, not the cut your hand off knife. Take that away. Okay, just give me a blade cutter. Okay, box cutter. Yeah, this will do. So let's just jump right in. Get that off quick. Slide this to the side. Ooh, that nice Sony presentation. It says you need to download the app, Sony Play app, and then you need to power your headphones and connect them through the app. 2-step, simple. Everybody loves the 2-step. 2 phones, 2 chains, 2-step. Life is easy. You can scan that, get that in. Let's get that out the way. Presentation has the nice round case. Feels good. It's cloth material. Let's put that aside. Let's see what's in here. You get free service trial for something called 360 audio. I'll try it later. And a bunch of reading material for when you're bored. Yeah, so I think that's what makes up that box. Pluck it, file it to the side. Ooh, gold accented zipper. So this thing comes in 2 variants. It comes in black and something they call silver. The silver looks more like beige to me, but it is what it is. And it's nicely folded in here, so in your carrying case. Nice. Okay. Straight up 3.5mm jack, so when you run out of juice or you just want to jack straight into a device like your cell phone or maybe your pad, your controller for your PlayStation, that will do the trick. An airplane adapter for when you need to plug into that double mount thing, or left and right audio jack, and for some reason a really short USB-C cable, so you can leave your head right beside the power port when you're charging it. Who does that? Come on, Sony. You guys are a multi-billion-dollar firm. You can give me a few meters of cable. But other than that, I'm sorry, I digress. Let's move that to the side. Let's look at the main headphones. These things, it's still plastic, all right? It's still plastic, and they claim they've made some minor changes around how it fits, and in the software is able to actually detect the shape of your head, and so to help you fit it perfectly for a good seal. Before we go into the full review, I noticed there's a difference here. So I guess this is the detector to know when it's on your head and when it's not. So when you take it out, the sound pauses. It still has a 3.5mm jack. It has power button. Oh, this is now called custom, I see. And the touch sensitive area would be the right cup or the left cup. Guess we'll figure it out in a bit. And then your USB-C charging port. And that's really it. Other than that, no real changes. You know, marks left and right for dummies, in case you can't find it, for people like me that get mixed up. You know, these things have an ergonomic. Still feels plasticky, but feels good. It feels good. I'll do some direct measurements with the old one. I'll probably make a comparison with the Bose and see how that works out. The NC700, which is right up there for me, especially in design. But these are supposed to sound much better now. Improvements to the chipset, improvements to the Bluetooth technology, and so on. And that is it for the unboxing for the Sony 1000XM4s. I'm sure they won't disappoint when we play it. I'll let you know how it goes in the full review. Stay tuned, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.